laying on the couch in the middle of the day, a little fur ball up on her chest. Just another weekend I won't forget. They both look so peaceful, don't wanna bother them. I'd hate to be the reason that they stop watching horror movies. They're watching horror movies. I never thought it would turn out like this. If you'd have told me 10 years ago that I would have 2 girls and we'd all live in this house, I never would have guessed that you'd be talking about a little rescue kitty and a little white Christmas tree, and a love that ain't on the silver screen. And horror movies, you know she loves horror movies. I never thought it would turn out like